Welcome back to another daily Leetcode walkthrough. Today we're tackling a really fun space-themed problem called Destroying Asteroids. Here is the official problem page. It's a bit wordy, so let me break down exactly what it's asking us to do, step by step. Imagine you control a planet with a specific starting mass, and there's a field of floating asteroids represented by a list of numbers. The main rule is simple. If your planet's mass is greater than or equal to the mass of an asteroid, you can safely crash into it. When you successfully smash into an asteroid, your planet absorbs it, and you add the asteroid's mass to your own, making you bigger and stronger. But if you ever try to hit an asteroid that is strictly bigger than your current mass, your planet gets destroyed, and it's game over. The primary goal is to figure out if it's possible to destroy every single asteroid in the list without blowing up. The most important detail here, the key to the whole puzzle, is that we get to choose the order of our collisions. We don't have to just go left to right. So if we want to get as big as possible, as fast as possible, what's the best strategy? It naturally makes sense to go after the smallest targets first. By sorting the asteroids from smallest to largest, we safely build up our mass before we face the giants. Let's run through the first example. We have a starting mass of 10, and we've sorted the asteroids. We start by hitting the 3. 10 is bigger than 3, so we crush it. Our planet's mass goes up to 13. The next smallest is 5. 13 is plenty big enough, so we smash it and grow to 18. We keep rolling. 18 beats 9, so now we are sitting at a mass of 27. 27 crushes 19, bringing us up to 46. And finally, 46 is way bigger than our last asteroid, 21. We cleared the whole field, so we would return true. As always, we'll walk through the code in Python first because it's clean to read, but I'll have the C++, Java, and JavaScript versions at the very end. Also, please drop any questions you have in the comments and I'll make sure to answer them. This strategy of always taking the optimal immediate step, in this case, grabbing the smallest asteroid available, is a classic greedy approach. It guarantees we maximize our mass at every step. Here is the complete Python solution based on our greedy sorting strategy. Before we break this down line by line, just a quick reminder, you can copy all the code shown in this video over at leetcodeunlocked.com. Link is in the description. Now let's look at the logic. The very first thing we do in our function is sort the incoming list of asteroids in ascending order, so we face the smallest ones first. Next, we set up a simple loop to go through our newly sorted list of rocks, one by one. For every single asteroid, we do a crucial check. If our current planetary mass is strictly smaller than the asteroid's mass, it's game over. We immediately return false. But if we are big enough, we survive the crash, and we add that rock's mass to our own variable, constantly growing. If we manage to make it all the way through the loop without ever triggering that false condition, it means we successfully destroyed everything, so we return true at the very end. One major edge case to watch out for: the total combined mass can actually get incredibly huge, much larger than what standard integer variables can sometimes hold. In Python, this isn't an issue because integers scale automatically. But in strongly typed languages like C++ or Java, if you just use a standard 32-bit integer, your mass will overflow and break. You must use a 64-bit integer to keep track of the total mass. Looking at performance, the time complexity is big O of n log n. The loop itself is fast, but the sorting step dominates the time. The space complexity is order log n, which comes from the auxiliary memory used under the hood by the sorting algorithm. The main takeaways for today: whenever a problem says in any order, think about sorting. It usually unlocks a simple greedy solution. Second, always be mindful of how big your numbers can get depending on your programming language. By the way, as you can probably hear, I use an AI voice for this channel. I built this system for myself so I could generate clear, fast explanations to help me study. I recently tweaked the format to be a bit faster and more visual, so please let me know what you think of it in the comments. And definitely ask any problem-related questions there too, I will respond. Alright, as promised, let's take a quick look at the exact code for the other major languages. Remember, you can just copy and paste these from my site. Here is the complete Java solution. Notice right at the top, we cast our starting mass to a long data type to avoid that integer overflow we just talked about. Next up, here is the C++ version, doing the exact same thing using a long type for the current mass. And finally, here is the solution in JavaScript. Remember to explicitly tell JavaScript how to sort numbers ascending, otherwise it sorts them alphabetically by default. Before we finish up, I want to mention I have another channel called Leetcode Unlocked. I'm on a mission to eventually post a solution for literally every single Leetcode problem on the platform. Check it out if you're grinding out the backlog. If you want to help support that massive goal, you can donate at buymeaboba.com/LeetCodeDaily. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I post these right away so you can get your daily streak done early. Keep coding, and I'll catch you tomorrow.